Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's episode we're going to be featuring the Lexus IS300 again, which is right over here. And what we're going to be doing today is installing BC cam gear, and we're going to be installing a VVT I gear as well. So we're just going to put the car inside the garage and start taking it apart. So sit back and enjoy our video content. Let's go!
I've taken the radiator out with the shroud. It's easier to take the radiator off and the shroud together. I've taken the idler off, the tensioner. I'm going to take that off, all the cover off. Take the time belt off.
Right over here. So we've got the VVT I gear here and the BC adjustable cam gear. Damn boy! We've got the harmonic balancer pulled off. We've got all the covers and necessary pulleys and everything that's come off. So, to have the gears in front of us. Here's the cam gear here, and here's the VVT I gear, which we're both going to be taking off to put the adjustable cam gear here and the new VVT I gear here. While the boys are working on the car, taking it apart, me and Nico are going to Autobahn to get a silicone hose for the air filter, and doesn't like it. We're just going to get rid of that while we've got it off anyway. Damn boy, nice RX-7. Didn't have the sizes we need, so we just came back home with our pipe here. We have the inlet side, which is 70mm, and this side here, which is 76mm, but they didn't have it in the exact bend that we need, so we're just going to leave it for now, and we're going to order an intake off the internet. We'll look at the best one available and we'll just do that. So let's go back, start working on the car again. So this is the old VVT I gear we're just taking off, full of oil, so but making a bit of a mess. And I'm gonna put the new one in now. Where's the new one? You can see here he's just lubing up the outside of it so it slides on easier.
So you don't rip the seal.
And so you don't rip the seal also. Two seals right there. So now we've got the exhaust side cam gear about to come off. We're just taking the bolt off. And bam. Just like that. Here's a locator pin here. So it only goes one way. Now I've got both gears installed. Here's the BC cam gear and here's the VVTi brand new gear. Now we're just going to put the time belt back on, set all the timing up, and then put everything back together and start it up. So we'll just set it up the time lapse. Get to it. We've just started the car, everything's running, all the timing's perfect. Now we're just going to double check everything's tight and then start piecing it back together. Car's up and running, new time belt, cam gear, BBTI gear, and just bleeding all the system up, keeping it running. And the job's done again, once again. Sounds good.
A few moments later.
So look what's just arrived. Axle pack exhaust for the IS300. Damn boy! It's a shiny boy.
Lucky that.
You can see your head in there. Like a mirror.
Fat, it's gonna be fat.
It's all custom. It's all custom.
Is it?
gonna put it?
Probably
Made in Australia, mate.
Tomorrow.
So we're going to be installing this bad boy. Boys already started fitting the exhaust, couldn't wait till we get home. Fire her up, boys. Axle back exhaust just installed. Custom IS300. That's the first start.
Not too loud.
Not too loud.
Not too loud at all.
You gonna give it a little rev?
I'm gonna rev it down.
Is it cold?
Yeah, it's cold.
Or let it warm up a bit then. Let it warm up.
No leak. It's not loud.
It's pretty good. Not too loud. As you can see, the muffler at the back. It's way smaller than the original one that's on the car now. That was on the car, sorry. 2.5 inch piping. But it's just an axle back, so it's not really going to make much of a difference. See what it sounds like. Just all the oil burning out, excess oil burning out the exhaust. Give it another rev.
I don't even know what it sounds like.
Not too bad. Another mod on this car complete.